Hi, it's William here from Terra Recon again. During this period of lockdown, we haven't been wasting our time. I've been specifically brushing up on my video editing skills, which have come quite a way in the past 2 or 3 weeks. But fortunately, we have big enough real estate here where we can still fly. Now, one of the key principles that we all work on as remote pilots is, of course, visual line of sight. But this can actually be quite limiting and quite demanding on the eyes because of the fact that drones have become very small, and for some unknown reason they are often come like the Mavic 2 Pro here, in the same colour as a typically dark English sky, which seems to plague us for most of the years. So actually we've been thinking of ways that we can actually improve the visibility of our aircraft. We have an Enterprise Mavic 2 as well, which has got the beacon on, which makes it much more visible, of course. You can, of course, leave the lights on all the time, but that, of course, will drain the battery a little bit and reduce your flight time. We've also looked at wraps or skins for the aircraft and had a look at 2 or 3 of those. And the purpose of this video is to try one of these particular skins, which is the more famous and upmarket brands, and do a comparison. So what we're going to do is to fly the Mavic 2 Pro at 50 meters and 100 meters on with a clear sky, video that, put the skin on the aircraft and redo the trial just to see if in fact it is worth the money to put the skin on the drone, and see if there's a significant difference.
Hi, I am Max, the engineer at Terra Recon, and I will be applying a Japanese wrap grade skin to one of our drones. So I started by removing all attached stickers of the drone, removing the propellers and wiping down the drone with isopropanol. So there are instructions for this in the package that arrives, as well as video on YouTube. We start with 2 sheets of stickers for the drone body, as well as a set of stickers for the battery. We have the instructions, and we have 2 more decals for the batteries in an additional package. I'm going to put the stickers on the drone in the process as on the instructions, and I'm going to time lapse it. It is now done. The drone is wrapped. It took about 40 minutes. We're fairly happy with the results. It looks very professional. They do provide numbers. The numbers are the same color as the drone wrap, but you can use them for marking the batteries. So finally we're going to take this outside and test it to make sure none of the sensors have been obstructed.
Okay, while Max is running this through a number of tests, I'll just mention that the wrap itself is from the Japanese company Wrap Grade. They seem to have a very good reputation for producing high quality skins, and I must say that I'm quite impressed with this one. Now, the cost of the skin delivered to UK, including enough material to do 3 batteries, was a total of $64 plus a charge of £17 from customs when it was imported. I'll leave a link to the company in the text box below the video. Now, it's quite difficult to see from these movie clips, but the visibility of the drone with the wrap is quite significantly improved. Okay then, so you can see from the flight test that certainly in a sunny sky like we've had here for the past 2 or 3 days, the difference is significant in my opinion to make it worth doing. But against a dark sky, I expect it would be even better. However, there's a few reservations, or rather questions, I've got niggling at the back of my mind. First of all, Max, did we see, or did you notice any drop in the number of satellites or the signal strength due to the fact that the skin itself might attenuate any signals?
So, firstly, we didn't notice any drop in satellites or Wi-Fi strength between both flights. And secondly, the skin is made of plastic, so it doesn't interfere with RF signals. The GPS antenna is up here, and it definitely doesn't interfere.
So the only other questions I've got niggling at the back of my mind is, in fact, does putting this wrap grade skin on invalidate your warranty? I would think so. I haven't checked. And the second question is, of course, if it invalidates the warranty because it's an unauthorized modification, is it also invalidating your insurance? Anyway, I don't know. I haven't looked. So if you've got any comments or can answer those questions, please leave some comments below. Thank you for watching.